In this video, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know about the brand new Tinder Swipe Night Killer Weekend Episode 1. What's going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Before it starts, make sure you pound that like button. I'm your go-to source for hilarious, entertaining, and helpful Tinder videos. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. Tinder just dropped its second installment of the Tinder Swipe Night series. Basically, every Sunday, a new episode is going to come out. And in this video, I'm going to give you an exclusive walkthrough of Swipe Night Episode 1. Now, when you're presented with choices in the game, it's very good to think strategically because the people that you're swiping on in Tinder will be able to see the choices that you made in Swipe Night. Now, with all that said, let's get into the walkthrough of Tinder Swipe Night Episode 1. All right, let's fire up the old Tinder machine. So if you go to the Explore page of Tinder, you'll see that now there's this Swipe Night function, and it prompts you to start Episode 1 now, dive into the mysteries. So without further ado, let's play Tinder Swipe Night. Okay, your first choices are final. So here we go. Oh shit. It's kind of sketchy. Whoa. Okay, this is kind of fucked. So should I get out of here or go help? I'm gonna go help. Why not? Take a little bit of a risk. Yeah, it's actually like legit scary. Oh my god, there's a body in the pool. This is not good. Should I call the police or should I save her? I'm gonna save her. Fuck it. Oh my god.
Oh hey, you made it.
Oh, that scared the hell out of me.
Calm down. I'm just starting the cute but morbid challenge for my TikTok. It's gonna trend. Watch.
Okay.
What is screaming about?
That's actually never mind.
Oh, the shots is off. Maybe it's just cheap. We haven't met. Reese Fox, Benji's manager.
Great to meet you.
Get the vibes.
She's not gonna last.
Do we love? Oh yeah, we love a dead Phoebe. Oh my freaking god! Come here! Sorry
Oh,
for
hey.
screaming. She made me. Never apologize for making engaging content. Also, women have to stop apologizing. Now give me. Thank God you're here. This party blows. Benji's in one of his moods, and I might have to kill Phoebe. Mama needs a Zan. Oh, the fresh meets Francisco, Phoebe's new boyfriend. Ames, I can hear you. You're like not even whispering. I know.
Yo, Phoebe, you want some content?
OMG, Benji,
Uh-oh.
don't do it.
Okay, Benji, can you please get down?
This must be Benji, eh?
Chill out. Don't be weird in front of my friends. It's a party.
All right, but we are 50 miles away from the nearest hospital, and I am pre-med. Emphasis on the pre.
Let's go! You're my boy,
Hey,
Benji.
Okay.
Don't be cringe.
I think you should do it. Me too.
Hey! Holy shit, you came. Hell yeah. OG crew is now complete. Get your ass up here right now. Come on. Hey, did you get soft on me?
Should I get up there or no?
Tell me
You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna take another risk and go jump with him.
Thank God you're here. Oh, they've been boring me to death. You and me, we'll live forever.
Yeah, buddy. You first though, eh? Okay.
Told you, nothing bad ever happens to me.
Hopefully that's not foreshadowing, Benji. We'll see. I feel like Benji's about to get murked.
I'm just so jazzed you're here. You're the only one of Benji's friends who's actually nice to me. Oh God. Just heard how that sounded. Shut up.
Hey, I want to say something. First up, thanks to my label. Second up, thanks for coming all this way to my dirty 23rd. Seriously, y'all are my day ones. Except you, Francisco. Yeah, you're just lucky to be here. I'm just kidding, buddy. Reese, intern of the year. EB, my first love. And the perfect amount of hot and crazy. Ames, with your spooky emo energy. Crack me up. You, fashionably late as always.
Accurate.
Otis, you're like my little brother. And dabbling in music himself, I hear. I love you, pal. I think that's it. Oh, Tex. My boyfriend, duh. All right, enough of the sentimental crap. Let's raise him up. Yeah. Let's party. Yeah.
Let's party. Let's go.
Dragging your ex everywhere with your new boo. Questionable, don't you think?
That's pretty sus. Not gonna lie.
I know, right? Like, I feel sorry for her. I mean, read social cues. The poor thing can read it all.
I can read, and I can also hear you. You know it's possible to be hot and smart. Not that you know what that's like. Sorry, is this weird?
Oh, she's
If I
sassy,
really
eh?
want to stab somebody.
It's fine. They're healing.
Okay, mature.
Should we do cake?
Shut up, Otis. Enough. I'm under so much pressure from the label. I need this weekend. God, you guys suck. Why am I friends with you assholes?
Okay, so about that cake, Francisco, you were making something insane in the kitchen. Want to get it?
Claro.
So we're just gonna act like nothing even happened? Yeah, like we always do. Drink, request, repeat. You go fix the birthday boy.
I'm
Okay.
sorry about all that. You know me. I'm like the chillest person ever. I hate drama. I can't with Tex anymore. He's just so boring. The I don't love you signals have been sent fully. Like, I don't want to hurt him, but take a hint, right? Don't say anything.
Okay, so the party died, but we're resurrecting it. Benji, play us one of your unreleased tracks. I'm
Okay.
gonna pour shots.
Yes, Ames.
Let's go. Couple shots.
Hey, Tex, where's my phone?
I don't know, babe. It's your phone. Let me check the bedroom.
I'm gonna go pee. Bye.
Okay.
Hey,
TMI.
just under so much stress right now. I just, feel so sorry for him. I told him that I loved him months ago, that he would think by now that, I don't know. Has he said anything to you?
I'm gonna tell him the truth.
I don't love you signals?
Love it. This girl's just TikToking in the back. We all have that one friend, eh?
I can't have this die. So glad Moby McGee left. Oh, look, it's the guest book. I'm gonna go get cute. BRB.
Okay. You already are, but... Okay, let's tap to investigate some items. Gonna check out the keys here. Okay. Pretty straightforward.
Well, another classic Benji Holstein birthday for the books, or Benji Harlow, or whatever's going by now. I hope Tex is alright.
Phoebe is just sucks how he treats her, she's just so...
Oh shit, what's going on over there?
Fire!
Uh-oh.
What do we do? Guys, there's fire!
Let's go put out the fire. Let's be a hero today.
Come on! This way!
Oh, this looks pretty bad.
Where the hell is Francisco? Did you hear that?
Oh my god.
Shit! What should we do? What are you doing? Help me!
Let's put out the fire. Fuck it.
What is happening?
Oh shit. The power went out? This is getting really scary. Oh my god. She actually scared the shit out of me.
Stabbed him. We need to find out who.
What? This is getting scarier and scarier. Oh my God, stabbed in the back. Whoa. Select your top suspect. Well, Otis was with me when he got stabbed. I think it's Tex, because I think he's jealous of Phoebe. That's my prime suspect right now. Okay, so come back next Sunday for episode 2. All right, so at the end of it, it basically gives you a rundown of your top suspect and all the main choices you made. So my top suspect is Tex. Honestly, it's probably the most obvious top suspect, so that's probably not really him, but who cares? We're going with Tex for now. So the main choices I made were I told the truth rather than lying. I also said exes cannot be friends. And I chose to jump in the pool rather than let Benji jump alone. Now, the girls on Tinder are gonna be able to see my choices as well as my top suspect. So make sure that when you're swiping on Tinder Swipe Night, you keep in mind, people are gonna see what you choose and they'll be able to judge you based on the choices you make within Tinder Swipe Night. So obviously try to have fun with Tinder Swipe Night, but remember, it's good to be a little strategic in your swiping. So now I'm getting a new version of Tinder that's like the Swipe Night version of Tinder. And basically it's gonna optimize the people that I see on Tinder based on the choices that I made in Swipe Night. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it, guys, a full tutorial of Tinder Swipe Night Killer Weekend episode 1. I'm gonna be doing a full walkthrough of every episode of Tinder Swipe Night. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. That way you'll get an alert the next time I drop one of these videos. Also, I'm curious to know who you guys think the killer is. So put your predictions down in the comments below. And while you're there, pound that like button. Until next week, peace.